Your journey is not defined by where you are today. It's a culmination of every choice, every step, and every moment that has led you to this point. But remember, this is just the beginning. The path ahead is filled with endless possibilities and opportunities waiting to be seized. It's shaped by where you want to be tomorrow. Each decision you make today sets the stage for your future. Whether you're climbing a mountain, running towards the horizon, or simply taking a small step forward, every action counts. Visualize your goals and let them guide you. You have the power to create the future you desire. It starts with a vision, a dream, and the determination to make it a reality. Sketch out your plans, plant the seeds of your aspirations, and nurture them with hard work and dedication. The future is a canvas, and you are the artist. Take a deep breath and embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. Your future starts now. With every sunrise, a new opportunity arises. Stand at the edge of your potential, arms open wide, ready to embrace the journey. The world is vast, and your possibilities are limitless. It's time to let go of the past and focus on what you can control, your actions today. Release the burdens that hold you back. Break free from the chains of doubt and fear. The past is a chapter that has been written, but the future is a story yet to be told. You hold the pen. Every step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to your goals. Each footprint on the trail, each piece of the puzzle, is a testament to your progress. Celebrate the small victories, for they are the building blocks of your success. Keep moving forward, one step at a time. Believe in yourself and the incredible potential that resides within you. Look in the mirror and see the strength, the resilience, and the determination that define you. Raise your arms in victory, for every challenge you overcome is a testament to your inner power. You are capable of greatness. Remember, you are capable of achieving amazing things. Each milestone you reach, whether it's crossing a finish line or receiving a diploma, is a reflection of your hard work and perseverance. Celebrate these moments, for they are the milestones on your journey to greatness. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Stand confidently in the face of challenges, knowing that you have the strength to overcome them. Whether it's skydiving or facing a personal fear, each victory over doubt is a step towards your true potential. Embrace the challenge and rise above. Embrace the unknown and step boldly into the future you were destined to create. The path may be uncertain, but it is filled with opportunities for growth and discovery. Walk through the open door, into the bright light of your future with confidence and courage. Your destiny awaits. The time for action is now. Start the stopwatch, take the leap, and jump into action with determination. Every moment is a chance to make a difference, to move closer to your dreams. The future is not a distant reality, it begins with the choices you make today. Seize the moment and create the future you envision. Every single day, you have the power to choose. You choose your thoughts, your actions, and your reactions to the world around you. This power is immense and often underestimated. It is the foundation upon which your life is built. Each decision, no matter how small, contributes to the larger picture of your existence. From the moment you wake up, you are faced with choices. What will you focus on today? How will you respond to the challenges that come your way? These choices are within your control. You have the ability to choose your mindset. Will you approach the day with a positive attitude, or will you let negativity take over? The choice is yours. Embrace this power, for it is the key to unlocking your potential. When you choose to see the good in every situation, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities. Your thoughts shape your reality, and by choosing to focus on the positive, you can transform your life. Your choices shape your reality. Every action you take, every decision you make, contributes to the person you become. When you choose to pursue your passions, to follow your dreams, you are actively creating the life you desire. It is not always easy, but it is always worth it. The power of choice allows you to take control of your destiny. You are the artist of your own life, and with each choice, you are painting your masterpiece. Choose to focus on the positive. In a world filled with distractions and negativity, it is easy to get lost in the chaos. But by choosing to focus on the good, you can find peace and happiness. Start each day with gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you, the people in your life, and the opportunities that come your way. By cultivating a positive mindset, you can navigate through life's challenges with grace and resilience. Choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth. Life is full of obstacles, but it is how you respond to them that defines you. When faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Embrace the challenges, for they are the stepping stones to your success. Each challenge you overcome makes you stronger, wiser, and more resilient. By choosing to see the silver lining, you can turn any setback into a valuable lesson. Choose to believe in yourself, even when it's hard. Self-belief is the foundation of success. When you believe in your abilities, you are more likely to take risks, to push yourself beyond your limits, and to achieve your goals. It is not always easy to maintain this belief, especially in the face of failure or criticism. But remember, you are capable of more than you realize. Trust in your abilities and have faith in your journey. Remember, you are not defined by your past mistakes or failures. Everyone makes mistakes and everyone experiences failure. It is a natural part of life. What matters is how you choose to move forward. Do not let your past hold you back. Instead, use it as a learning experience. Each mistake is an opportunity to grow, to improve, and to become a better version of yourself. Let go of the past and focus on the present moment. You are defined by the choices you make today. Every day is a new opportunity to start fresh, to make better choices, and to create the life you want. Choose wisely, choose courageously, and choose to live with intention. Your future is shaped by the decisions you make in the present. By making conscious choices, you can create a life that is fulfilling, meaningful, and aligned with your values. Choose to create a life you love. It is within your power to design a life that brings you joy and satisfaction. Follow your passions, nurture your relationships, and take care of your well-being. By making choices that align with your true self, you can create a life that is rich in happiness and purpose. Remember, the power of choice is always in your hands. Use it wisely and create a life that you love. Doubt is a natural part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. When doubt creeps in, acknowledge it, challenge it, and then choose to move forward anyway. You are stronger than you think. Don't let fear paralyze you. Take that first step, even if it's small. Action creates momentum, and momentum fuels success. You've got this. Life is full of challenges. There will be setbacks, disappointments, and moments when you want to give up. But it's during these times that your resilience will be tested and your true strength will shine through. Remember, setbacks are not failures. They are opportunities to learn, grow, and come back stronger than before. Embrace the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and never, ever give up on yourself. Section 5. Action creates momentum. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. Start where you are with what you have and take action. The smallest step in the right direction is better than standing still. Momentum builds gradually. As you take action, you gain clarity, confidence, and motivation. You start to see progress, and that progress fuels your desire to keep going. So get moving. Section 6. Embrace the discomfort. Growth and comfort rarely coexist. Stepping outside of your comfort zone can be scary, but it's also where the magic happens. Embrace the discomfort, embrace the unknown, and watch yourself transform. Challenge yourself to try new things, to push your limits, and to see what you're truly capable of achieving. You might be surprised by what you discover about yourself along the way. Section 7. Small steps, big impact. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on making progress, one step at a time, and you'll eventually reach your destination. Section 8. Persistence. The key to unlocking your potential. Persistence is not just a word. It's a mindset, a way of life. It's the driving force that propels you forward, even when the road is steep and the journey seems endless. Persistence is the unwavering belief in yourself and your dreams, even when faced with obstacles and setbacks. It's the inner strength that keeps you going when others might give up. Imagine the athlete who trains tirelessly, pushing their body to the limit, or the artist who spends countless hours perfecting their craft. These individuals understand that success doesn't come overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and most importantly, persistence. It's the ability to get back up, dust yourself off, and keep going when things get tough. Life is full of challenges and setbacks, but it's how you respond to these moments that define your character. When you fall, you have a choice. Stay down or rise up stronger than before. Persistence is about choosing to rise time and time again, no matter how many times you fall. Never give up on what you truly want. The finish line may seem far away, but every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Picture the runner who crosses the finish line after miles of grueling effort, or the mountain climber who reaches the peak after a challenging ascent. These moments of triumph are the result of relentless persistence. Your dreams are worth fighting for. They are the stars that guide you through the darkest nights, the visions that keep you motivated when the going gets tough. Creating a vision board, setting clear goals, and celebrating each milestone achieved are all part of the journey. Remember, every small victory is a step towards your ultimate dream. Embrace the journey, embrace the challenges, and never, ever stop believing in yourself. The road to success is long and winding, filled with unexpected turns and obstacles, but it's also a journey of growth, learning, and self-discovery. Each challenge you face is an opportunity to become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. So keep moving forward, stay persistent, and let your unwavering belief in yourself be the key to unlocking your full potential. Section 9. Embrace the journey. Life is not about reaching a destination, it's about embracing the journey, learning and growing along the way. Enjoy the process, celebrate your wins, and learn from your setbacks. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. So go out there, chase your dreams, and make the most of this incredible journey called life.